again. Mentally, you're moving. Almost there, I'm in fever.
It's another week. I was the Jenny so. Now, meaning season 3 there. I any kaya who baby I will be asking this season dear I've been our TV so I don't TV or see a wazia or ye ampa yada sister baby I would bring now what's not the Jenny so now would see a foot too would see and some now so did be opera baby I was so correct and baby I was a would be come Adam now was ye nana ma brabono na air quenani never be a kama and son never started you medino yet the asida ebema abwa former so yasin and I watch be a meeting me the Jenny bro I don't TV so or see time here Mr. Malaria dear and one time when your time I know now I give us clean care now dear CC fina bibia aye kama enya non kwa a Fly Alliance consult for see upese wutu kwan dear kontu dear and one Fly Alliance na fe wa peki and herbal capsules one no na bibia aye kama nyadia herbal mixture or see health is life na say apomodin enyon kwa dear and for apomodin endi agrokora leaf tomato paste wasi woba no aduane lip dear anu so ede etu de aduane a eda no kwan mu kama pa aboafo we no maso masi na watwe bia bitimi de Jenny Bro e wo baby a owo bia enne me guest eye me mama che your friend is superwoman a lot ade ade de me kamesima niema no doso dibia no or your former MP Cape Coast North enya nonkwa na oye deputy minister for education Oriye and Osambe deputy minister for works and housing once a while who na sesi idea on a chair person for women super cup no or no a GF ma wasai ajibre na oba wo hwe me e dien e na wodwen se wonti menye wodwen se de mema atimi ye wonti menye so wodwiro ho na kokonkan a you can do the same thing na omoye no but I don't just say and once obro ho ase remember that the Bible says e was se be ma do na oba you have to submit. It's a superwoman. Between Como with the Jenny. So, mommy, welcome.
Thank you so much, Madam Papa.
Ma,
yes, my dear. What should I man, you know?
Answer my bet to us on day be. I was so would share me, said ya, no. To get all to say, Bibia so ya, we in each way be another sign or debia for. What is your secret?
Patromada say, be Mazen can Mazendas, Casse, Mazai Ama. When I worship him na akwenya and the exam, but when I see 50 months home, Titsru Cape Coast, Barbara Asha AC, Miobia, Minwa Ochum. Oh, Sunday, Abrabono, only the Emma a how Osha would do. No soon there's Emma what challenges, what problems, no, so Osha would do. Iwana Nimpompa no ya fensabi, one frantical sim watching him. Into no Ami Barbara she says, Unqua no here. It's a problem saba, challenges about mamma problems in Shamodo. Unquana Yamizachaman, and now all the good things, the positive things, the lovely people, friends like you, maybe share for my loved ones and one motivating.
Why politics and not any other profession?
My background, no, I am a combination of two. Mama, me, a fashion designer.
Okay.
And I'm a papa, I don't know, a journalist, Ninyo politics, so crap, Chris Asha, Professor Chris Asha, I don't know your palava. Nanka, no, your church on some kakrama, on your excellency, may so rest in peace, President Rollins, issues kakra during the coup. Into no ma, okazi, or exile. Into no moon there, my papa on the side, no, we bring my way vocal. We bring my work on adrian. They say what they say things the way they are. Don't pretend. Into the moon there, I'm a combination because of the two. But my papa, my main one side, no, I have fun to phone, rubber phone, a lady, you know, that kind of thing. It's no, my phone, no kakra. Now, my fa, oh, the baby, so them, meanwhile, zana, mobasosa, no so oh. Into from childhood, I saw my father do politics. No, and I love to save the people. Meanwhile, the motion. Until from childhood, I've been in leadership, one form of leadership. One way or the other, no, I've been in leadership. It's from childhood, Samayak form leader, I'll be a school prefect or a library prefect at the University of Education. Number one women's commissioner, Makwa Ula training. Number library prefect, Wesley Girls also. na me a form leader. Until every church I've been very instrumental. Now me a protocol head. See, I've always been active. You know, say all these the not we invest in so pay numbers more share politics. To we in active politics. Number by polling station. I started from the polling station level. Also, and they say it will in you some days he say be a more and now say more that's today that me pedami a president or the vice president or in there Musariana must me pedami a president. You have to start from the scratch.
Yeah.
Kakanka because every level be shazi until at the polling station level no na zaman katankati how are the grassroots kind of politics nyane mushia and sign a merbabe constituency first and on can now Cape Coast no wanchem until na wo Cape Coast until na mabe deputy constituency secretary ni na ye NPP also na NPP is no sabe se maka da wo mutum until from childhood and you know I knew. I keep saying this anytime that means that one day I'll be a member of parliament.
Wow.
And then one day I was going to be a minister. And see, time na me constituency secretary no na me nyakwenya moko assembly as a government appointee. Na ye kadam ye politics nyina so na ja machazo Wesley Girls High School. And so no na was doing teaching no na me jam the politics so afum kakra. Na politics no omam akwenya mamosome o Sunday I am just them with them calling o Sunday anytime be a menya akwenya dem monsom edomono in a menwaje and I was so passionate about Cape Coast so o Sunday say Ghana ha Cape Coast brofo cuz and somewhere yake kanda Cape Coast is a citadel of education and a hub of tourism no and na mo hwehwe akwenya musumutu mazama honzin atichi na waye Cape Coast a real hub of tourism. Osande be mimda we to extensively. So what kind of baby a hub of tourism? On your joke. Intino na mhwehwe akwenya mutum ma babosom na muso ma pier mpuntu aba Cape Coast North. Na mina adumara minya akwenya mobosome as a member of parliament for Cape Coast North. Ono sunya mina do Miss Excellence na do danko ikufado mu mombaze no bo mosma mo baso na mosma mo do party no na mo do there mo so mama no nti o mama kwenya mamukọ education mashasi first na me na mo hwe basic education echiri ina ma papa no ye mo boss so honorable Dr. Matthew Puku Prempe uso mam akwenya mama baye in charge of TVET. That is the whole Ghana, that is technical and vocational education and training. Also, mom, a lot of, experience. Into, my former boss, Honorable Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe Asi. As I don't know, I'm not about your ABC. Or Mamma Shiazi, or Boy Marginum. Nakopanado Masum, if you pay works and housing. I also Mokoto Honorable Ata Achia. No, so in Titi, I was a mum. You see, every time me pede musia, I open myself. Me ye minim. O Sunday ye minim. Life or a learning process. Into my first time na me be no. Na minim there I came just to learn, pick up, and then build myself, and then grow.
Yeah.
O Sunday politics na send first most my shase. Even because when I was doing politics and Mitchell's Wesley Girls High School, no, I was also into fashion. I love fashion because I'm coming from a background that my mom were artists.
And the fashion side
very strong. Mommy design a golden tree chocolate, one packaging, or winning a lot of awards when she was in Ghana National, Victoria de la Keys. And so behind the de la Keys, when it comes to art, my uncle was a dean. University of Science and Technology. Arts and is in the blood. Into no arts and also metropolitan and so not the arts and the art comes in different form. Obi wo na ze oya draw, obi wo hwa ona ze oya saw. Into no obana sawa. I remember that when I'm it's the everyday biana because it's a form of exercise for me. Into and I was starting me organization our friend of Bash Afrique cultural center. No, modeling, fashion, acting, trying to inculcate into the younger generation yan culture. I am so passionate about culture. Since ya kitchen day, yan culture no.
They just one yakofa brofuni day.
Why the man? Mamanka, dama akano. We don't take our culture seriously. Echo China, echo all these Asia countries. Since one we develop only one culture, because young culture is a way of life. Young say, Sisa yer kasi oy mede yer kafanti. Obi wo ho mpa nifi ompeda number no share kasa no local dialect no, no native language no, because it came to a point people wanted to associate themselves with certain class of people. Into even the movie industry. Movies are not today. We got it wrong. And I'm very passionate about culture, so that our culture is a way of life.
Your culture, they must say, Yenda, your home and got one day while for your bar, your veterans is still the gem. Yakoji and Krato Aba Ogusua, I heard the Jenny or Adum TV. And let me guess, a Honorable Barbara Aisha AC, a dini do. And I yet to come on, baby. I will be so ambitious over your politics. Jibre, Snassi, Nessia, dear. Now who say Oba, who betting me out conkind or abrabum. Honorable Yansha Bibiwaha, Cape Coast North for Oha or Moboao.
Pachomedasi. Cape Coast North, mobile to my na Esha, your constituency be a dynamics, mostly oti. Cape Coast North on 2016. Esha move votes, central move winning on the Mobile Bodo Kakra. Students no, young stronghold on the University of Cape Coast. Now, why when you cheer, almighty COVID in the bay, not share them from any no, or there walk na cheddar workers na iffy. It's here to aban, no, when you your boy wasn't then, Kayan in Ababa, no swine, and I'm a framana, I am a framan who do pa. Origin about Mawaba Cape Coast, Iboha, na, oil as in a crack. Na can na first time child was the girls high school. Until when I put up me imagine them mepede bijinano. Students in but this time and actually I was an MP minister. Until them of Framano went to one back that one but to abaso them oti. Now apart from that and also politics and strategies kakra. So the Moshe the NDC one co primaries.
Okay.
One primaries. They just unpegged one candidate, from my stronghold. Okay. Our lecturer, we University of Cape Coast. And so no challenge. I mean, you feel basa, you want kajine in as in the end primaries. So this time in late kakra. Apart from that, and few internal issues kakra, but mobesibiano oye. For me, this is my first time I may lose election.
Wow.
Every lecture, in fact, when I even came on the scene, people were shocked. To them, amazing keke, because I was in the fashion, I was in the movies, Barbara was on stage, I was number Charles, and now and coffee number there. What to my politics, papa? And see, they told her, this young lady is a grana, but I proved myself. May you be a mekasepi. I can't say too much about myself, but walk the talk. But because I'm kind of walk the talk, and when you first say I was a pa on casa. Or in the casa da Barbara, mo to my day. What's the responsibility now, mo? Ebo to my yana one share. And that is how I do it. Into 4 years and I was I think I proved myself because education na mangutini besia. Moko works at house and so mangutini besia. 2016 I'm moko primary so I think there was name is for 2. Na meaning for 2. But 2020, Mangutini Besia, contest, and I love it. Competition is good. Competition, very good because competition is sharing the maybe it's almost but you want to say competition that Charlie almost into Cape Coast. Me one day, sometimes it takes time for you to know somebody. Me few Cape Coast in a bombing. Also, sometimes I feel it's good.
Sometimes you need to go.
Exactly, so that the way. What to watch? This is a workshop. Nipa ya waba for free. No, what's a Barbara so a jumoye. yen achievements no betre 2024 into no sometimes people say adikita wa inhu mosimo osombo na so as if you are the Charlie as no them nothing it is good and it's also good for me because abrabo no they be in win
yeah
today I'm missing keken Lucy in any election that those are the first time so them lose it's a different ball game.
How many times?
Exactly.
I think three
times.
Yeah.
It's a different ball game when you lose an election. The people that you thought loved you will turn against you.
Yeah.
People they feel there because now we hear exactly now we hear award there or there wonderful. Some people should empathize and not sympathize with you.
Yeah.
But it's a different ball game when you lose an election. So for me, Cape Coast not but there were a few challenges. Sometimes it was projects delay because of the COVID.
So 2024 film.
Hey. But what's up to December? We never say that, But one thing I want people to understand is that your whole life should not revolve around one thing or politics. When a man chabana, because they market it.
Yeah.
Some politics so without politics I don't have life.
Yeah.
You are in trouble.
You are in trouble.
So what was I going to do? Because I'm a family person. I have a lot of people Sababra she is one kwa. A kwamba's one. I don't joke in life. One life or dependent on me.
Honorable, see, I did obey your brabumbi and kukuba, Pim Koso, and keep fighting. And know so one day a baby in trying to encourage a boy from Gratiaba is still the journey. Yakoji Enkrato Aba Ogusua Eredi Jenny or Adom TV. And then me guess a Honorable Barbara Aisha AC, a former MP for Cape Coast North. Honorable Ansa Nabeko, advise when Adbema all the youth are look up to you, be a OT one, so you youth or new youth, what bravo dear now, Ubeka Treno.
Yen in Bebuno, and 1 year or many Nadachi. In Tidachina, His Excellency, no, Nina Yakono, one over Baba Shehanani. Ntino ode shoes akaso hwa ode was one nan was shi na moto twasre imbebu no shortcut bia anyi abrabo no de esoriara no na esi mansions esoriara na ri ayi ikita cars no abrabo no oye abota nti momo enfuto ampede mezima imbebu nde wona wardrobe there within a short time, not a billionaires, millionaires, or rumboa in on incident there, Ukawuka in the armed robbery, even daylight. Young people can just take a gun and then attack people. Where are we going? In Timoto Trasri, Obia and you are a chesi Biancopan amphibian shenum. Nobody's useless.
Thank you so much for coming. Jenny,
I feel like you're queen.
Oh, you are.
Thank you.
And then from Sky Best Multimedia.
Oh my God! You know my pictures. When I easy. Oh, B, thank you so much. I love it. And this is one of the pictures. I'm manual so amazing. I love it. The journey.
Hey, Jenny. And I never know great you no sound hampers.
Really?
Thank
you so much.
Mommy.
Hey, B. Okay, I'll take this one. Okay.
Yeah, over mommy.
Okay.
Hey, dear, does say. Really?
Oh my
hey,
word.
Oh,
yeah.
Or say, do you believe that dressing affects our appearance? Hey,
thank you.
And it goes to what
personality is on in that to trust. In Bebono, many we are just Kenyan answer. I own fine. Yeah. If you are feel there or they could boutique or they can day, Charlie, or baby a bend down boutique now. Just look good. Swinging all the time. Wow. Whether there was money, Charlie, in there sometimes you are skin you want. The way I address. I was a bag in the money. Charlie, brand yourself.
Brand yourself.
Brand
so
yourself.
That you cry. It will look good. Aha, and I bring my the journey SC. Meaning send the winning AJ. What wolf you when you are you hanging now? Be S3 because honorable. And that deal. Wow, from now. What to degree be when you're honorable. When you be there, why you say, from what
be humble.
Must be humble. Then you may impage out. Aha, and you did the journey SC. That's a name share with the journey. I said that and come above for my so you're saying. Then I watch you be attempted the journey, bro. I will Adum TV. Near me did you made the which I'm meeting Eddie Abnagana. Bonga half of this year. That's a name share. I will Adum TV with that.
Take this life, cha-cha. Make you know the rush, make you know the fear. Cause when you fall